So hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix your CarPlay if it doesn't work on your Honda CRV and any Honda that have like CarPlay on it. So after you plug in like this connection right here, it goes to that connection, the CarPlay connection. And so after you plug it in, as you can see, it's charging, but the CarPlay function is not working. When I press on it, it's gonna say, when safe, please confirm that your smartphone is connected to the USB port, which has a smartphone icon on the lid. So after it's connected, usually it should show a CarPlay button right here, right? So I already connected that cable to the right here, the port that has the CarPlay connection. So if it doesn't work for you and how to fix it, it's very annoying, right? So as you can see, it's charging right now, but if it's not working, what you do is you press on this power button for 10 seconds or less. So just keep holding it. So I'm gonna press it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you want to reboot? So it says, do you want to reboot? It's still charging right now, and I'm gonna click touch yes right here. It's gonna reboot the system, and that's how you reboot your infotainment system on your Honda CRV. It's gonna reboot, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. Yeah, so let's wait for it to reboot a little bit. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but this should fix your CarPlay problem. So I can feel a vibration. That means it's reconnecting your infotainment to this phone right here. So we're gonna wait until the logo displays and it goes through like all the boot cycles right here, and just wait a little bit. Let's see. We're gonna wait. It takes a little bit of time, but this should fix your CarPlay if you have any problem on any Honda CRV right here. So mine is the 2018, and okay, it says notice, and usually it does like that, and we're gonna hit OK. So we like to enable CarPlay right here. Apple CarPlay may use some user. I'm gonna do always enable. It is subject to Apple privacy. No phone is paired to system now. We like the phone. I don't need to do that. We'd like to turn on Honda Link Assist in the event the car is crashed. The vehicle will be attempt to call emergency. No, I don't need that. I'm not gonna pair with my Bluetooth yet. So I'm gonna go back to the home button, and as you can see right here, I don't know if you can see, the CarPlay just reappear, right? And I haven't even like unplugged this, so it's still charging, and it has a CarPlay. So when I touch the CarPlay button, it's working now, and I can just like play music from my phone now, which is nice. That's what I wanted. And so look at this. So if I go to next, so yeah, it's working now. I'm gonna touch the the Google Maps on here, and that's the destination. You see, everything is working now on the CarPlay. So it's using my phone as the CarPlay. Okay, so cool. So guys, everything is cool right here. It's working. Alright, so if you guys like this video, you found this helpful, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks you guys for watching. I hope this helped you guys. If you have any problem with CarPlay, just let me know. Just leave your comment and share your experience in the comment below. And thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. Thanks.